Guys, guess what? This is apartment or the fifth wheel? No, it is apartment with 3-bedroom. Let me show you the 3-bedroom. Coming in. This is a brand new 2026 Impression 36BR. BR means 3-bedroom. And I want to show you the 3-bedroom. First bedroom, second bedroom, and the third one is in the front. But this one, what I like is very unique design. They give you your own AC. They give you the nice beds. It's like in Japan. You know, you went to Japan and you could live in the capsules. Well, this one you have your own room. You have your own storage door. You have big closet for the kids, hanging closet, shelves with lighting switch. But the kids, they're gonna love it. You know why? Because each kid will have his own room. And they have a room they could share and play a chess. Let's go inside. So as you see, it has a beautiful bed, very comfy. I am 5.6, I could fit easy. I have my bed, my reading light, as you see. I could do whatever I want, read my book, and so on. Nice LED. I have my own closets, as well in the top here, own closet. But what I share, me and my brother, who's sleeping in the other room, a chessboard. So it come with a nice chessboard, and my brother or my sister, they will be sleeping in that room, and we could use the chess. And if they need to go to sleep and they give me too much hard time, I close it, and I can't see them, and they can't see me. It's clever, isn't it? And each room has their own TV. So as you see right here, there's a smart TV included with it. Privacy, chessboard. I could put my iPhone, my iPad here, plug it in. And I have my own window for wind circulations. And just go in my room. This is my room. Now let's go check bedroom number 2. Which is to the left side of me. This is bedroom number 2. Same thing. Has a nice sleeping area. A USB plug, 110 plug. You know, as you see, for reading, I could play chess with my brothers and sister. My own TV, my own window. Now, you're gonna tell me I have 3 kids. No issue. Look what you gain with the 3 kids. I have additional mattress here. Voila! So I could sleep my 3rd kid here. And again, if I want to close the door and tell the kids go to your room, you guys, you're making noise. Guess what? Doors close. And full privacy. And also, if you don't want to see nothing, you have a nice window. You could cover up here. I want to open window, close window. So you could see now, one window to the right is a closed with a shade. Now you could see me here. Hello, I'm in my bedrooms. So amazing unit. I mean, they're so clever who create this one. And then if I go outside from the kids' room, they're in their own heaven. Now this unit comes with 3 AC, as we see. There's one AC here, 18K, Dometic, with a remote control. There's another AC in the kids' room, as well there's an AC in the master bedroom. So this unit, to summarize it, 3 ACs, 2 power awning, outdoor kitchen, theater seating, entertainment center, and dishwasher, and versatile king-size bed in the front, washer dryer prep, solid surface countertop, big refrigerators, fridge and freezer, TV with a fireplace and a modern look, as well hidden pantry. Now going to the jail lounge, I have a beautiful jail lounge here. I could lay down on it, me and the wife, kids sitting here. The kids could sit on this nice table in the middle with the 4-bar stools. Enjoy a cup of water, enjoy, a drink, and facing the smart TV and the fireplace. Now, this jail lounge is a full storage underneath. As you see, it's a full storage. I could store as much as I want things underneath. And then there's also USB plug cell phone charger right here. As well, you have one in the other side. This one is, again, a sofa. Hide a bed. So if I want to turn this to a bed, I open it and all this bed. But again, you don't need it. You have 3 full beds in the back. But if you want this 4th one, you can. And the 5th one is in the front. So you could sleep on an army. 8 people easy. Now, looking here, we have a beautiful hidden pantry with a smart TV and smart fireplace. Big hidden pantry with sensor lights. Again, you could put all kind of food here. And it's magnet as well. You have a nice locking mechanism. Now, the kitchen, I don't know what to ask more than that. They give me a beautiful oval shaped counter island. I call it kitchen island, counter, dining table, whatever you want to call it. Solid service, solid, and 4 higher bar stool, so the family could sit and enjoy a nice lunch. Going to the kitchen, they give you everything. They're not missing one item. They give you the bigger fridge from Farion. So this is the fresh fridge, and this is the freezer. 30-inch microwave. 3-burner range with the oven. And cooking pans. I mean, there's all manuals. Place for trash can if you want to use it. Or cooking pans, whatever you want. More storage. Give you 3 tinsel doors. All this is shelf for your cooking pans and tinsels. Silverware. Sink, beautiful. I love the black splash. Solid service countertop. Waterfall, cup rinse, soap dispenser. And you have a nice dishwasher. It's amazing, beautiful. Now, the ladies are gonna say, by the way, you're missing my pantry. Ladies, I'm giving you 2 pantries in this unit. You have one hidden behind the TV and the fireplace, and then additional pantry right here with the 5 shelves. You can store all kind of stuff. It's amazing. It's very open. It's very open, and it gives you the 3-bedroom. Now, we're gonna walk to the master bedroom. Now, you could see my shoes sitting here because I like to walk with no shoes. So there's a shoe storage right there. Step. And then we're going to a nice, beautiful king-size bed with nice benches. You see this metal shelf for your iPhone, iPad. This bed is versatile, so I could push this one. It's gonna go up, and that gives me option to recline on it, watching a nice movies with my wife. Voila, king-size bed, versatile, no problem. There's one 10 plug USB plug on both side of the bed for CPAP machines. There's a small bench here. I could sit and tie my shoes. And then you have a big front closet with stackable washer, sensor lights. I could stand in it just to show you how big it is. And again, I could put stackable washer dryer. And there's the plugs, one here, one there. So the washer will be here and the dryer there. Big closets. And then when you go to the bathroom, isn't it nice? Please, cameraman, tell me, isn't it nice? Look how beautiful it is. The coloring of the paneling, the nice square mirrors with LED light, fancy sink, modern slope, shelf, storage, porcelain toilet, linen closets, and beautiful marble with the nice veins, nice shower. Ladies could sit and do their business, or I could sit and take a shower because sometimes you come back from work, glass doors, so nothing, and no water go outside. Very roomy. Look at my elbows. Look my height. It's amazing. So 360 BR3, what does mean? 3-bedroom. And again, if the kids, you want to go check on the kids, you go in the back. You open those doors. There's nothing to it. They're in a sliding doors. And then if this is in your way, very simple and easy, you have a rack and you could put it in the rack on the side. And again, you don't have to use this piece. I mean, you have to use it in case if you have too many kids. Like me, I have 3 kids in my family. So easy, I will use that piece. So everybody have his own. And what you need to do with the kids, you need to flipping a coin. So who's gonna sleep to the left, who's gonna sleep to the right, and who's gonna sleep at the bottom one. What the new changes for impression for brand new 2026? It is a nicer cap on the front with a nice LED. They add bigger windows, 2 power awning with LED light. As you see the LED light and the 2 power awning. Big, huge storage. 200-watt solar panel with 30-amp controller. Look how big the basement storage. You could put many people inside. This is 36-foot fifth wheel with a 3 slide out, 1 slide out here and 2 in the other side. Outdoor kitchen, outdoor grill, and you have a freezer, fridge, beer, so you could cook, drink. And coming back, I could live inside if I want to, guys. Look how big that basement storage, huge storage in the front, in the back. Class 3 receivers, 3,000 pound. I could pull a jet skis, boats, bike rack with a power, place for your sewer hose. And then if you look this side, cameraman, you will see the 2 slide out. Go over here. You have a full docking stations for all your hookup. This is the dock station, the pass-through storage. And also lights, outside shower, cable, satellite hookup, sandy flush, antifreeze, you name it. It's all in that corner. And again, it's auto leveling. And how you could tell, you have a controller here for the auto leveling. Push a switch and you can level whatever you want. 60,000 PTU, a Suburban endless hot water heater, 2 propane tank on each side. And on the front, you have a place for your spare tire, as well your batteries. You could put a generator if you want to. Guys, this is very impressive. From Force River impression to make a unit like that one. And what we supported by giving you awesome deals on a price no dealer could match at Best RV, no hidden fees. Come grab the 360 bedroom 3 and enjoy this apartment on wheels. Coming in.